Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are participating in the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. There's going to be a playlist link below on everybody who's participating and who has a video. So I very much encourage you to go ahead and watch everybody's, because everybody's going to do something different because we are inspired by a sketch. So today is day 10. Now, as most of you have known already, if you've been watching my videos, that I have a little boy. Well, you can do hearts, you could do stars, you can do whatever you want with little boys, but I'm not going to do the heart thing today. Instead, I'm going to do a circle, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, I cut my paper in a circle, and then I die cut some snowflakes. And I glued them to the back of my circle. So fun, right? And the reason I'm doing this is because I have a little picture of my boy sleeping in his car seat, and that white background is all snow. So the name of my layout or title is going to be Snow Sleeper. Ah. Now there is a paper that I have wanted to use from the Hit Kit Club, because look at how pretty this is. Kind of has a watercolor feel, and it was part of, I believe, December or January's kit. I think it was January's kit, and I just really, really liked it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as the back of my circle. How fun! I love this so far. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I did go around my snowflakes and add a little bit of the Wink Stella. So it should have a little bit of shimmer and shine. You can see that in real life, but may not show up on video. But I thought I would just kind of let you know what I did in preparation for this. I've got one snowflake that was cut from a different white paper. You can tell, and it bugs me. So we're just going to rotate to the bottom because I'll be able to cover this area up. I'm going to slip my photo in right here. So I am flipping the sketch. So my photo is going to be on this side, and then my title is going to be on this side, kind of. Okay. And I got the idea of putting these snowflakes around the edge by actually a cut file that I was looking at. I didn't want to pay $4 for one cut file. I thought that was just a little bit ridiculous. So I decided to try to kind of make my own. So I did that by cutting a circle and then tucking my die cut star or snowflakes underneath. And I think that looks really cute. Okay. So next, let's talk about my title. I'm going to go ahead and use two different alphas, and it's going to say Snow Sleeper. I just love alliteration, and that is just a cute little fun way to add a little bit of interest to your title. Now I chose two different fonts because I feel like I can get away with using pink because of the pink in the back the ground there, and I really wanted some glitter because I feel like snow is glittery. So I picked this pink alphabet with some glitter on it, and then I was flipping through and I saw this snowflake alpha, and I was like, okay, perfect, this will go right along with my story. So Snow Sleeper is going to be my title. In my embellishments, well, these are kind of old school. They are thick. They're not chipboard. I'm not exactly sure what exactly they're made out of. They're almost, what's it called? Wood veneer. But they're not wood veneer shapes. You know, they're painted on. I just think they're super cute. So to bring that pink into 3 different spaces on my layout, I'm going to go ahead and place my penguins. How cute is that? Now, if you notice on my inspiration sheet, it does have something right here, something above and below, and then on the other side. So above, below, and other side. And that's how I'm going to get my visual triangle in and my little nod to the sketch. I'm going to embellish just a smidge more. Okay. So I got a couple swap items from the Love RTS group. There was like a winter swap or something along those lines. And they provided me with some cute embellishments. So I figure I could add this Baby It's Cold Outside because my son is sleeping in the snow. I just think that's super cute. And then I'm going to add a couple extra snowflakes. So I've got a snowflake here, a snowflake there, just to bring in a different color blue. And then I'm going to tuck this one. No, I'm going to tuck this one underneath my little guy so that he is surrounded by 3 snowflakes. Cute little deal there. And then I've got my another snowflake, same color, probably the same person who gave me the other ones, to bring in some of that other color. And then last but not least, my final snowflake is going to go right under here, just to give it a little bit more. And I'm going to cover that back up. And then I'm going to add, because this blue is nowhere else on the layout, I feel like maybe it's right here underneath the paper, but I'm going to just tuck that like right there, because that blue matches that blue. So now I have this periwinkle, I think, color in 3 spots. I've got this light blue in 2 spots, and I've got penguins in 3 spots. And I also have the pink in 3 spots. So I think, and that, my friends, is my take on day 10 of my best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. There is a playlist below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.